Seeker strangers online. Good evening. Take two. Seeker strangers online. Good evening. Just kidding. I just want to make you smile. I just want you to hear my voice. I know you miss me for a long time, no blogging. Before I capable to speak 1 minute as in 60 seconds. Now I try to practice again to talk so fast, to say something irrelevant, necessary, important while doing my video. Well, holiday is coming. I just want you to know that if you don't have enough budget, don't try to buy a gifts. Just post in your social media that happy holiday. Like me, I said, happy holiday. Sorry, I cannot give you a gift at this time because of my tight budget. But anyway, enjoy your party and gathering in this season. That's only I said. That's only you must inform your people, your family, your friends, so you're not giving yourself a hard time. That's all I can say in this video. Thank you for watching again. Bye-bye.